Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to find hidden columns in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to find hidden columns in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to find hidden columns in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to find hidden columns in Google Sheets. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding hidden columns in Google Sheet is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will find hidden columns in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone and then select any sheets you want to find hidden columns in it. Now I will choose that sheets. Now here are few columns in my Google Sheets. Now for finding hidden column, just click on that menu like this. Now here is my hidden column in Google Sheets. And now click on check mark in the left top corner to save these steps. So there you go. If you were wondering how to find hidden columns in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.